Well, it's Saturday morning. Chad and Mandy left this morning to head back to Texas, and I'm gonna stay another week. Chad was parked right here. So I've been having a lazy day, but problems. You can hear the generator going. So kind of ran my batteries down in the camper. So I'm trying to get them charged back up. And this tire here, it's not looking that good. So I got out my mat and my impact, and I'm gonna jack the trailer up, pull this tire off, and put the spare on. Cotter pan in. Wasn't NASCAR speed, but got it done in good time. Very simple, all done and on. Things like this, I like to reward myself, you know, for a job well done. So yeah. So we ran this trail here last night, but it was dark. All we could see was really the trail. I'm rerunning it now, and in daylight, just because it looked pretty cool. So I want to see what it's all about. Cheeseburger. This trail just leads down to a pond. Yeah, another trail just leads down to a pond. Well, it's Sunday morning, and I'm moving camp. Just going down the road about 20 miles, and I need to find a good spot to set up because I'm going to work the next 2 days from camp. So here's where we're at now. All cleaned up and ready to roll. this is a camp spot. Plenty of room. It's not really that level right in here. The only good level would probably be right here somewhere. Good sun though. Maybe I could pull in just right here, and that might do it. Yeah, I think it's pretty darn level. I just had to use one 2x8 on the other side, but get plenty of sun during the day. There you have it, in the trail. I knew this coming in. It's going to be an in and out, but it was really cool.